Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a poll vote on Instagram using your Android phone. Just keep on watching and let's get started. First, go to your Instagram application. On the upper left corner, tap your story. You can now take a picture or upload a picture. After that, on the upper screen, click the sticker icon and select poll. Now, you can type a question. After that, you can click done. On the lower left corner, click your story. Now let's check my story. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!